How's it going, Midwest Hustler fans? Decided to do a video this morning. It's been a while since I've posted any videos. Usually just do pictures and stuff on Instagram and Facebook. But I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. I'm going to try to expand that network because that might be one of the platforms I sell the movie or rent the movie on. Yeah, my garage is a mess. So what I've been working on lately, wiring up the car. This is obviously all the gauges. Switch one of the switch panels, right? I should say the only switch panel. Got two different harnesses running through here. I was hoping to. My plan was to put a plug on this, but after I bought it, I couldn't run any bigger than 18 gauge wires, so I'm just gonna put these together and heat shrink wrap them. I was using the factory plugs, but they're so old. Anytime you undo the locks, they just snap, and most of them are pretty gnarly anyway. But finally done with this. Took me 4 days, 2 days to build it and 2 days to wire it. My goal is to be able to take this whole cluster out with 3 screws and 2 nuts and then 2 plugs. Well, this will be individually, but there's all the wire that I took out of the car. And my dash will come out with 3 screws and 2 nuts. So a lot of work to do to this. But my project today is to finish up the wiring on the car. I have gone through every single wire in this thing. Labeled everything. This is why I want the dash and everything to come out easy, because I have all my electronics behind it. I'm going to mount all this stuff and all the relays today and try to figure out how to wire all that stuff up. I'm no electrician, so this takes me probably about 2 or 3 or 4 times longer than, somebody's good at wiring. But I made this. This is going to go underneath, flip upside down, all the power, attached to there. Got to make the other part of the harness that's coming out to all the accessories, and it'll be really easy to change the fuses and stuff. I hated how the factory fuse block was over by, in the corner over there. It's a real pain in the ass to change anything. Got an extra on-off switch here. Lots of fabrication. Mainly the reason for that, besides just the safety issue, is I wanted to have a key. That way nobody can just jump in it and start it and take off. Got to put my axles in still. No big deal. The wiring is what's bogging me down. This is taking forever. There's about 15 different ways to wire up a relay, it looks like. And heck, even when I order a switch from the same company, they've got 2 different ways to wire up their switch. I don't know. Hopefully I figured out. This is another little fuse block. This will power everything that's on the driver's side, so like the horn, the line lock, wipers, turn signals. This I don't have wired up yet, but this will cool little thing I'm gonna do. This will squirt traction compound down on the back tires. Gone through every wire and labeled everything, just down to the very basics. I wanted this to be simple. If there's any problems, it'll be easy to fix or at least find. And I'm not gonna have any ground issues. Probably a little overkill with it, but I like to do things once. I don't want to go back and have to do things again, which sometimes I do. But that's what I'm working on now. Want to touch base. Everybody's wondering when the movie's going to be done, when the car is going to be done. Believe me, nobody wants this done more than me. One more cool thing. The nitrous is going to purge out of the nostrils of the horse. I think that's going to be killer. Some people are like, oh, you're giving away the secret or the cool car at the end, but not the whole world doesn't know about the movie. So if they see it, there's another Foxbody. Probably gonna have to sell that one so I can fund the last scene. I was gonna sell tickets to give it away, but now I might be selling tickets for this one to give it away. So we'll see. Have any questions on anything, just let me know. Just want to show you where I'm at. Later.